Hi everyone. Today I want to sharing how to lay the wire. If your house still under renovation, you wish to ask your contractor to the wireman lay the new wire for your new house for the Autogate. How to do it? I will share two types. One is for the string type or folding type. Another one I share is for the sliding type. This one is a string or folding. You can example this your house. Your house inside got the ELCB, and then you also got the switch. So, this one is your gate. The string you have two panel, right? So from your house, ELCB mean the main fuse box. You lay three wire all the way to the box. Three wire, earth, neutral, right, go to the box. The box you can put either left or right, up to you. And the switch normally you put on beside the door, the wooden door, same face with your all the light switch. The switch we need 4 wire. Same, go to the box. 3 plus 4 means 7. 7 wire, you can use 7 cord all the way to the box from inside your house all the way to the box. Here the dustbin or letter box here. Then this is a gate. So you have a left gate and a right gate. From here, we need the motor cable. Here we need 4 wire on the left, 4 wire on the right. Actually, the motor use 2 only. Why we need 4? Just for in case next time anything happen, you got spare. So this 4 wire, all back to the control box. That's all, very simple. This is for the string type or folding type. In the market also got sliding. For sliding, you only got 1 panel, right? It's a sliding. Okay. This is a pillar here. So normally, the sliding you slide. Example, you slide to the left side. This is a fencing. Okay, this is your house. Same ELCB here. And the switch. From ELCB to for sliding now, we not like the old-fashioned got 1 box anymore. For sliding, example, this gate is closing now. When you want to open, you slide to the left. So the motor we will put here. This is a motor location beside the gate. From the DB here, same, you need to lay 3 wire all the way to the box. Not to the box, sorry, to the motor, the sliding motor. So from the switch, normally we use 2, but we fully recommend you use 4, got spare. All the way to the motor as well. So the motor just next to the gate. Oh, some mistake here. The fencing is here because normally the sliding gate you got extra 1 feet. So when opening, it slide there. So the motor is put here. But some cases the motor need to put outside because some of the gate is not slide inside the house, it's slide outside the house. Same thing you do. Just this one we have to install on outside. Just no worry that it won't affect anything. This is how to lay the wiring. Thank you.